A Wizard Roadshow research exploration. Throughout the 18th, 19th, and early 20th centuries, cities built enormous underground networks to support growing populations. These systems carried water, steam, sewage, electricity, communications, transportation, freight. Many of these networks remain active today, while others have been abandoned, sealed, or forgotten. In some major cities, the underground space is almost as complex as the city above it. 1. The main categories of underground infrastructure. Most large cities contain several layers of underground systems. Sewers, often the oldest infrastructure. Large tunnels carry wastewater away from homes and industries. Historic examples: Paris sewer system, 1800s, London; Victorian sewers, 1850s, Chicago tunnel drainage systems. Some of these tunnels are large enough to walk through or even drive small vehicles. Water supply systems. Cities built underground water systems to deliver clean drinking water. Components include reservoir tunnels, aqueducts, pump stations, pressure chambers. Example: New York City. Water tunnels. 3 massive tunnels supply water to NYC. Tunnel number 1, completed 1917. Tunnel number 2, completed 1936. Tunnel number 3, still under construction. Some of these tunnels are 600 feet below the surface. Steam heating systems. Several cities built central heating networks. Hot steam travels through insulated pipes underground to heat buildings. Example: New York steam system started in 1882. Today, it still supplies steam heat to hospitals, skyscrapers, hotels, museums. The network spans more than 100 miles of underground pipes. Electrical and communication vaults. Cities run power cables and telecom lines underground. These networks include transformer vaults, cable conduits, fiber-optic tunnels, switching stations. These systems grew rapidly in the early 1900s. Freight tunnel systems. Some cities built underground freight railways. These moved goods beneath busy streets. Chicago freight tunnels, built around 1900. Features: 60 miles of tunnels, narrow gauge rail, freight delivery to basements of buildings. They moved coal, mail, and supplies. Many tunnels still exist. Subway systems. Many cities added underground passenger rail systems. Examples: London Underground, 1863, New York Subway, 1904, Paris, Metro, 1900. These networks often connect to utility corridors. 2. Cities with remarkable underground worlds. Some cities are famous for their underground infrastructure. Paris. Paris contains a vast underground network. Includes sewer tunnels, water systems, the famous catacombs, abandoned quarries. The tunnel system stretches hundreds of miles. Some tunnels date back to Roman times. London. London has multiple underground layers. Victorian sewers, tube rail system, Cold War bunkers, postal railway tunnels, utility corridors. There are entire hidden train systems beneath London. Chicago. Chicago has several underground layers: freight tunnels, utility corridors, pedestrian tunnels, flood control tunnels. After a tunnel breach in 1992, parts of downtown flooded. This revealed how extensive the hidden network was. New York City. New York has massive underground infrastructure: subways, steam pipes, water tunnels, communication conduits, abandoned subway stations. There are also forgotten spaces beneath Manhattan. Seattle Underground. After a major fire in 1889, Seattle rebuilt its city at a higher street level. The original street level remains underground. Today, visitors can walk through entire old storefronts and sidewalks buried below modern streets. 3. Why underground systems were necessary. Large cities had several engineering challenges. They needed to manage wastewater, drinking water, storm drainage, fuel distribution, power cables, transport systems. Underground space allowed cities to hide infrastructure and free surface streets. 4. Construction techniques. Used old underground systems required enormous labor. Common techniques included hand excavation, brick tunnel lining, stone masonry cast, iron pipe installation, steam-powered pumps. Later systems used concrete and reinforced steel. 5. Surviving mystery spaces. Many cities contain spaces that are no longer used. Examples include abandoned subway stations, sealed maintenance tunnels, forgotten vaults, old bunkers. These spaces often become urban legends, but most were simply retired infrastructure. 6. Scientific exploration opportunities. For the Wizard Roadshow project, underground spaces offer excellent research opportunities. Possible studies include tunnel geometry measurement, thermal imaging of underground chambers, acoustic resonance testing, mapping ventilation systems, studying historical construction methods. 7. Recommended survey tools. For underground research, flashlights, LiDAR scanners, thermal cameras, gas monitors, laser distance meters, ground-penetrating radar. These allow researchers to map tunnels safely. 8. The hidden city concept. Modern urban planners now think of cities as multi-layer systems. Surface layer, transportation layer, utility layer, water management layer. Future cities may expand underground further. Examples include underground shopping districts, subterranean data centers, underground farms. 9. Modern underground mega projects. Several cities are building huge underground systems today. Examples include Tokyo flood tunnels, Singapore underground, infrastructure corridors, Helsinki, underground master plan. These projects show that large underground engineering is still advancing. 10. Conclusion. The underground infrastructure of old cities is not mythical. It is one of the greatest engineering achievements of the industrial era. These systems allowed cities to grow from small towns into modern metropolises. Beneath the streets lie tunnels, pipes, vaults, railways, pump stations, forgotten chambers, a hidden world supporting everyday life.